guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you how I charge my Olympus battery. So I just bought a new camera, which is Olympus em1 Mark III, after I'm using Olympus epl9 for almost 3 years now, and then now I'm just upgrading this to Olympus M1 Mark III. Sorry, my my accent is not that good. So yeah, I have two battery here. One is still inside the camera, and another one, it was fully charged. As you can see, the light is stand green. That means the battery is fully charged. So I'm going to switch with this. Okay, sorry, there you go. And now I'm going to charge the other one. See, this is how I charge my battery. You can see the light is blinking orange color. It's okay, don't be panic. This means the battery is charging. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next video. For the info guys, if you want to see the picture of my Olympus epl9, you may check out the other video I was uploaded in there. And then on this camera, I will do a photo shoot on this coming Sunday. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much for supporting, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.